All right, Dad, this is mainly for you. Here's a quick video of the house. Do a quick walkthrough. Walk up to the garage. Got attic access. All the framing's all done in here. Go in the front door. Got a nice little covered entryway. Enter the door. This would be our hallway. You got a bedroom over here. Right as you walk into the left, it's probably gonna be my office. Got the guest bathroom. Another bedroom over here. All right, I'll walk down the hallway. Got a pretty good sized laundry room right here. Plenty of space for the washer and dryer. Bedroom number 3. All framed up. Back to the garage. And we come in here. This is our open kitchen. Sink and dishwasher would be on this bar. Stove back there, a little pantry, little dining area, living room area. Come over here to the master bedroom. It's a pretty good size. Looking out to our backyard. This enters into our bathroom, stand-up shower, place for the shitter, and then our walk-in closet. I'm gonna teleport through this wall. Go outside to the back. Small patio, so we're definitely already talking about the deck we're gonna add on to this. As you can see, that's just a big open green belt where the water runs. No backyard neighbors. Definitely gonna get to know our side neighbors, but I'll also put up some privacy on the fence. And this is our big backyard. They are gonna run this fence barrier all the way down, but pretty decent size. Anyway, have a good Sunday.